Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's a very useful video for all you working ladies. As you know, we all have been working from home for the last 4 to 5 weeks in this very serious difficult times, and I thought most of you who's working from home would have gone through the same sessions that I have gone through regarding video calls or getting ready for meetings. So I've put up these 5 very important things that you can follow and it'll make you look the best. So yeah, just follow all these 5 things and you will look professional and presentable. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. So yeah guys, this is how I legit look every morning and this is how I sit to work. I don't like to take a bath, get ready, put on some lipstick and all of that and sit for work. I just feel like it's a waste of time. So yeah, this is my work from home attire. But when I'm like this, if my boss tells me that I have to attend a meeting in like 10 minutes, I will surely get a heart attack because I am not presentable. I can't go on a video call like this. So as you, I know all of you feel the same. So yeah, I've just found out a way in which I can be presentable in a video call and get ready in just like 5 minutes. I'm just gonna share that with you today. Yeah, let's just get started. So the first essential thing that you have to take care of is your clothing, okay? You have to look presentable in your video call. I know you'll be working in your night suits or tank tops or pajamas, but you should, dress professional when you're on video calls. Let me tell you one thing. You all know that video calls means it just covers this much, right? Like up to your abdomen, from your head to your abdomen, right? So you have to just make yourself look presentable in this area. Down you can just have shorts going on that nobody will care, but this part is really important. So what I would suggest is just pull out a fresh t-shirt or a top and just wear it. That will really help you. So that is one suggestion. The other one that I always do is I just pull all of my hair in the front. I'll do 2 chins and pull it in the front and it will cover most of my clothing here, so that really saves me. So if you have long hair girls, do that. It really saves time, okay? And the third thing what you can do is you can just style up a little bit. If you're wearing tank tops or something, you can just wear a shrug, okay? It will cover the body parts. Or if you're wearing like plain t-shirts that I do, for like if you sleep with t-shirts like I do, and if you're working with this, you can just style it up using a stole, and that is what I'm going to do today. So I'm just taking a stole, I'm just dividing it into 2 and putting it around my neck, and then I'm just going to put this loose end into this loop right here. This much, yeah, this much is more than enough, okay? Okay, after clothing, the second essential thing is your hair, okay? You might have a bun going on or messy hair or whatever it is. The best thing to do is just put on a clip or a high pony or just leave your hair, okay? This will really work wonders and it will just give you that illusion that to yourself that you are very professional and you're working and you're on a actual meeting or something like that. So I'm just gonna comb my hairs through my fingers, pull on a little bit of hair, and I'm just gonna take it all above and I'm just gonna clip it up. This is how it look. What I do, an extra step, is I just pull a little bit of hair in the front as well. So yeah, this is my meeting ready hair, okay? So if my colleagues are watching this video, they know this, because if I'm on a video call, I am like this all the time. So yeah, this is your second hack. Your hair is really important. Clothing and then hair. So the third thing that you will need is a compact powder, okay? So most of the compact powders out there have a little bit of coverage and they will give you that kind of a flawless finish. You can actually give your face that glow when you apply this compact powder. So today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Compact Powder. This is in the shade 235 Pure Beige. This is how it looks like. As you can see, I've hit pan with this. I really love this, and this is so good for oily skin girls. So yeah, it mattifies your skin and it's the best, okay? So I'm just gonna compact my face. So yeah, as you can see, it really does give a coverage and covers your scars or any spots that you have, any discoloration as well. So yeah, I really love this hack as well. So this is like my go-to. Okay, my purse always have a compact powder. It should be there because it'll just help you get ready like this. Okay, it's the best. So the next thing that you have to concentrate on is your eyes. Okay, so I would rather suggest you to apply a kajal or something because it'll make your eyes look bright and awake. I really love applying a kajal on a daily basis. Okay, I really love it. So yeah, I'm just using Nykaa's Rock the Line Kajal today. This is how it looks like. I'm just going to apply this on the waterline. If you have time, you can actually apply eyeliner as well. I'm just saying, if you have time and if you have the expertise in it, applying a kajal is one of the essential stuff that you have to do. I'm just going to apply the kajal on my waterline. So I have a little bit of time today, so I'm just gonna make a eyeliner out of this. Let's see. I'm just gonna do a very simple eyeliner. So yeah guys, the eyes are done. I applied an eyeliner because I had a little bit of time. Also, if you're doing your eyeliner with a kajal, it really like 1 minute. It's very easy to apply eyeliner with your kajal. So yeah, that is one thing. So yeah, the eyes are done. So the last but not the least, I know you have already guessed it, it's your lipstick. Okay, no matter what, I don't care if you don't do all of these steps, but do apply a lipstick. Applying a lipstick really gives you that boost and motivation. Also, it makes you look like fresh and ready, and it speaks for itself. Okay, so I really love a lipstick anytime, any day. So it's my favorite makeup product. Okay, so yeah, applying a lipstick is a must. I would rather suggest you to apply a bright lipstick because it will really stand out in your meetings. Any bright red or bright pink, a fuchsia color, it really stands out. But today I'm opting for a very nude mauve color. So I'm using the Revlon's Color Burst lipstick in the shade Soft Rose. This is my everyday go-to lipstick for my office. It's beautiful. This is the color. As you can see, I've almost ended this. This is the color. It's very mauve. It's a glossy lipstick. It's not a matte lipstick. It does not crack your lips. I really love this lipstick. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this. So you can just apply whichever you want. So the lipstick is done, and this is the end of this video. 5 essentials are really important, and you will look professional and presentable if you follow all these 5 steps. You can just manage with whatever you have in your vanity. So I'm so happy that I shared my ad hoc meeting wala look with you. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah guys, that was the video. I'm very sure that it would have helped you guys in one way or the other. So yeah, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what was your hack, or which one do you follow on a daily basis. Yeah, so let me know anything in the comments down below, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel because that will mean everything to me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home.